People think there is a catch. So, a free trial is the solution.
Nah, I don't wanna hear you say what is this. It's the only tool you need to launch your online business. Never mind ClickFunnels, that's all wrong. You need to hit up SystemeIO.com. Don't gotta think about it, no you don't gotta ponder, cause SystemeIO.com got an email autoresponder, and ClickFunnels does it, so we know you gon' love it. And you can create your website or blog on it, in addition with your traditional sales funnels too. SystemeIO.com is the #1 move. You won't lose. It's a sales funnel creator, smashing competition cause you know that we greater. We're new, cheaper, with more features too. For only $27 a month you can't lose. Yeah, and you can't go wrong. Go